A courageous and determined Harriet CORREA of MARAKISA village defies simplistic labels in her daily struggles, looking after herself and her 4 children. Born in MARAKISA village, Gambia Central District's West Coast region, Harriet is physically challenged since the age of 7. She has other livelihood skills in braiding hair to feed her family. That's not even enough. And to improve her income, Harriet ventures into horticultural gardening for more. Her tenacity and unwavering efforts made her ride to the garden as early as 7 a.m. daily.
Ngaje ko sanyi dimba yabe mbulule. Man sembo soto mbitala dame. Ngajibe.
I have realized that I have children and with no support. Braiding alone cannot solve our needs. That's why I became a gardener.
CORREA used to find it very difficult to reach the garden, but with the support of her new hand pedal wheelchair, she rides almost 20 minutes all the way to the farmland. Harriet is mindful of reckless drivers to avoid accident. Passion and commitment, she said, is her driving force. The 3.5-hectare vegetable garden accommodates 321 women gardeners that Harriet has 8 plots in it. It's planting day for CORREA. She's transplanting onion seedlings, taking longer than usual due to her condition.
Sometimes I'm not too
Transplanting took me nearly 2 hours because I'm not fast.
This woman, who called herself Maya Sundur, is also a gardener. She described Harriet as an amazing young woman.
Don't just look at her condition. Her plots sometimes looks more beautiful than ours. She is amazing.
A United Nations report in 2021 says that there are growing numbers of persons with disabilities across the world. According to researchers, at least 1 person out of 10 is with some form of disabilities, and at least 25% of the population is negatively affected by the presence of disabilities. Human rights group says the primary responsibility of remedying the conditions that led to impairment and for dealing with the consequences of disabilities lied with the government as duty bearer. However, concerted efforts by individuals and institutions are needed to promote rights of persons with disabilities. Rodney Hayes is the executive director of the Gambia Federation of the Disabled.
But I'm full of admiration for this lady. And the thing that always inspires me about persons with disability is the fact that they have this outward enthusiasm for life. And at the same time, they realize that if you are a person with disabilities, you're always last in the queue. And this requires a completely new look by the government at how they structure their social services, all right? To give these people some hope, right? To give them some income, all right? Because for many of them, they don't have an income, therefore, they're not mobile. They can't enjoy life the same way as you and I can.
Harriet CORREA, like many other living with disability, have a common dream: to become great and able to conquer all challenges. Rights groups are calling for more support. Reporting for GRTS News, I am jankey.